Okay, Mr. Kendrick's helping me today. We're going to do a quick video on inertia. We've talked about this a few times. Inertia is just this idea that an object has a tendency, it means it wants to resist a change in its motion. In other words, objects that are moving, they don't want to stop moving and they don't want to change their motion. And objects that are at rest, they want us to keep sitting there. Objects have a tendency to resist a change in motion. That's what inertia is all about. That's the first law, right? Newton's first law. An object at rest stays at rest, an object at motion stays in motion, unless something forces it to change that. So here's what we're going to do. I have a shopping cart out in the hall, and Mr. Kendrick's going to help me here today. We are going to find the mass of that shopping cart. I've actually already estimated it, and we will see how long it takes for him to push that shopping cart a distance, and then we'll see how long it takes for him to stop. Then we're going to stop this video, and I'm going to do a second short video where we're going to load up that cart with a bunch of textbooks, sort of estimate the mass here, figure out the time for Mr. Kendrick to push that cart again, and how far it takes him to stop. And then we'll talk about what that means. So, Mr. Kendrick's going to hand the phone to me. We're going to go out here. Here's Mr. Kendrick. And here's our little path here. You can see down here on the floor, there's our starting line. Okay, and he's going to go this distance over here. And we're going to time how long it takes for him to get down to our stop line here. Now, he's not going to stop pushing the cart. He's not going to try and stop it until I say stop. And then he's going to try and stop it as quickly as he can. So let me set my timer here. Okay, Mr. Kendrick, on your mark, get set, go. Stop. Okay, let's get some meter sticks. We're going to just measure that really quick. The time, you can see, was 3.51 seconds. And we're going to measure from the line to the front of the cart.
Each one of these tiles was a foot.
Oh, that's right. We can just do that. Let's do feet here. Each tile's about a foot.
13, 14, 15, 16. 1 to 2 to 3, 4.
Okay, so 24 feet, we'll say, for that stopping distance. Okay, we're going to go ahead and reset. While Mr. Kendrick does that, we'll go into the board here. And we're just going to write on the board a couple numbers here. So, the empty cart should be about 30 kilograms. So we're going to put that here for the mass. Let's see, the time I said was... Can you hold that, Mr. Kendrick?